Welcome to CSI. This is a 9500 AMI weld head. We get a lot of questions about several things on it, so we thought we'd take the opportunity to show you a few things. First off, if you ever find yourself needing a spare tungsten set screw, those are located on the underside of the weld head in this location right here. You'll see this weld head has 2 extra tungsten set screws. That's where they're normally kept. Another question we get is, how do you calibrate the AMI 9500 weld head on a AMI 207 power supply? So we're going to walk through that real quick with you. This is the 207 control panel, and you'll notice we already have a recipe called up for a 1/4 inch weld. So in order to calibrate this weld head, you would hit the setup button, which brings you the head calibration menu. Press head calibration and select 20.0. A lot of people want to do 2.0, but the actual calibration number you want to use is 20.0. So select that and then hit enter, and the weld head will calibrate. Another question we frequently get is, how do you replace or seat the tungsten on the 9500 weld head? So we're going to walk through that with you real quick. The first thing we're going to do is rotate the rotor so that we can actually get to the tungsten set screw. And you'll notice I have moved the tungsten set screw so that I can now get at it. Loosen the tungsten set screw. Take one of your pre-cut 9500 tungsten, and those will be cut to whatever tubing you're trying to use. These are used, so don't mind that. If you then take and put it in your needle nose pliers and insert it into the tungsten hole and push it all the way in until it seats. These are pre-cut. The rotor is designed to stop it when it's in the optimal position. Then you tighten down your tungsten set screw.